Hey guys, Adam Savage from here in my secret bunker cave under quarantine with another tool tip. Another tool I think that every maker should have in their kit is a rotary tool. The most common brand in America is the Dremel. There's an expensive long cable-driven version called a Fordham. And both of these are excellent tools, and I've used them for decades to great effect. But I recently came across a new rotary tool, and I'm really digging it, and I thought you should know about it. It's called PROXXON. PROXXON. This is a non-American maker. It is a very lightweight rotary tool, which I dig. It runs on a 12-volt system, which means you need to actually purchase a power supply with it. Apparently, you can hook up 12 volts directly to it and it will work, but you won't get the speed control here. And the fact is, the speed control is really nice. I really like the sensitivity of this. I used one of these at Weta Workshop when I was down there a few weeks ago, and I took note of it and took pictures of it because I really liked its feel. They clearly had a lot of respect for the tool. Instead of the standard 1/8" collet that a Dremel comes with, this has a little locking chuck, which actually, to my fingers, feels like a nicely manufactured bit of kit. And it's got 3 jaws that go down to what looks like a 0. So you could run the tiniest drill bits you have in this. And frankly, the lightness of the cord and the thinness of the body and the sensitivity that you get with this makes it all a tool that I am really glad I have added to my tool roster. This transformer is the small one. They actually sell a bigger one. PROXXON makes an entire series of miniature maker tools, from finger sanders to larger rotary tools to little table saws and lathes and all sorts of stuff. I don't know how good all of those different products are. I'm here to sing the praises of this one specifically, but I don't think this is the last PROXXON product I will be purchasing. This transformer comes with a handy little carriage there, although I think I may actually have this thing live on my workbench on a little thing, and I'll build a little shelf underneath for this transformer because I use rotary tools that often. It's time to make it part of the actual bench. This is not the cheapest rotary tool out there. The transformer in this costs something north of 90 bucks. I recognize that that is, that there are lots of less expensive options. And to be sure, for the most part, if you're getting your first rotary tool, go get the cheapest one you can. Go get yourself the one that's at the local hardware store. That's totally going to serve you fine. After decades of using these, there are certain things I want out of these under different circumstances. There are times I want the raw, crazy speed of a Dremel. There are other times I want the sensitivity of being able to hold on to something with a very light touch and be able to really get in there and carve away at something with great sensitivity. And this PROXXON fills that niche handily. Thanks for joining me. There will be more tool tips in the future. We're ramping up Adam's self-filming escapades, so keep looking for them. And if you have some other PROXXON tools you have used that you love and you think that I should know about, well, I'd love to know about them. As for what I did for my finger, well, there's a link below. You can follow and find out what happened there as well. Well, thank you guys for joining me. See you next time.